Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Whitney Uptown. This is a fabulous, fun apartment. This is a high-rise and it's in the Uptown area. Hey, wouldn't you like to live in a high-rise that is fun, modern, great, perfectly updated, and has great space, but at a great price? That's the Whitney Uptown. You're gonna have an incredible location. In this case, you're gonna be able to overlook just beautiful Uptown Dallas. You're gonna be on McKinney Avenue, just right down there. You're gonna have just an incredible views, an incredible location where you can walk to restaurants, nightlife. It'll all be here in Uptown Dallas. You're also gonna have a balcony, so you can step out on this balcony anytime. Just enjoy this, just get on the balcony. And then here you've got these kind of views. Look at this. I mean, you just feel the energy of the city. There's the trolley car line that goes there. There's all sorts of cars there. This is just a fabulous, fun area for young professionals. This is a great area to be in. You can walk to so many things. There's literally restaurants just right there. Like I'm talking 30 feet away, 40 feet away from the entrance. And then there's night spots, restaurants just down there the street. There's some down over here too. It's in a pretty incredible area to be in. And this is the beautiful one bedroom. Hey, I encourage you just to send me a text and just say, hi Grant, I really love what I'm seeing. I love to set up a virtual tour. That's really the best way to do it. Just do a virtual tour request. And we can set up where you can see this apartment virtually. Not even have to come in person, but just see it virtually like this. I'm here to help you with that. Send me a text right now. Use the number below.